Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson HS01. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson HS01 is making a funny noise, it's a common issue that can arise from a few different problems. This noise usually indicates that something is obstructing the motor or that a component is malfunctioning. If left unchecked, this can lead to more serious damage and potentially reduce the life of your device. To tackle this issue, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and a replacement component, which we will specify later. First, ensure your Dyson HS01 is unplugged to avoid any electrical hazards. Begin by using the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located at the base of the device. Once the screws are out, gently pry open the casing with the flathead screwdriver, taking care not to damage any clips or surrounding components. The funny noise often originates from the motor compartment, which you can easily locate once the casing is removed. Inspect the motor for any blockages or signs of wear. If you find that the motor itself is faulty, carefully disconnect the wires attached to it using the pliers. Make a note of where each wire connects, as this will be important for reassembly. Gently lift the motor out of its housing. Replace it with the new motor, ensuring it fits snugly in place. Reattach the wires according to your earlier notes, making sure they are secure. Remember to be gentle when handling components to avoid causing any damage to nearby parts. Once everything is back in place, carefully align the casing and press it down until it clicks into position. Reinsert the screws and tighten them securely. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To help prevent this issue from recurring, ensure you regularly clean the filters and check for blockages in the hose and brush bar. Keeping your Dyson free from debris can significantly extend its lifespan and maintain optimal performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.